Hey guys, so I'm all changed. We're gonna go to the beach and all my girls are gonna be there. So yes, we're excited. I haven't done a vlog in 2 months or probably in forever. So thanks for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed already, subscribe because you know you're part of the Des Marie family. Got my little Des minions, okay? I just got a whole bunch of fruit, got a whole bunch of snacks and some water because it's 105 degrees outside. But yeah, next time you see me, I'm gonna be on the beach. And yeah, now we're ready to go. Gotta set this tent up. Ella in the building. We got Naomi in the back. And then her friend, you know. Got the friend carrying Momo. Mo in the back. Oh my god, that's so cool. Where'd they go? Oh, they're over here. We made it to the beach. Yeah, you guys, we're on the beach, so excited. Jesus.
It is fun, but they out of town. It's a new experience. You're gonna go outside and it's your crazy. That's how you do it.
Bye, y'all. Everything's set up.